is the rally about to turn? Seasonality graphs predicted a lot of outcomes for 2023, and if we use the same tools, the latest graphs indicate we would be in for a dip. Jared Blikre has been looking into it, of course, so maybe beyond just today then.
Maybe beyond just today. I was looking at some weakness in semis yesterday, but guess what? At the beginning of the year, we had a map, and I'm going to show it in a second, but this is just the average returns by month. What you see here, what I want you to notice for February is that no matter how you slice and dice it, going back to 1949, fourth year of the presidential cycle, Democrat in office or not, you get negative returns. So I wanted a little bit more granularity. This is a model that I was using last year, produced very good results, and you can see it's largely bullish through July, through mid-year, and coincidentally, that's when we faltered last year for a few months, and you can see it picks back up in September, October into the year. Then you got that maybe Santa Claus rally. But not to get too far ahead of ourselves, I want to focus in on this little downdraft right here. This is mid-February to end of February, and there are a couple different ways of looking at it, but this is one of the potential turning points, and this would actually coincide with the downdraft that we're seeing today. Now here's a totally different look. This is the average of VIX, so when it's going up, the VIX is going up. That means stocks are going down. We have a very similar seasonal pattern here from mid-February to early March this time in the VIX. And if this occurs, and it's starting to happen today, we're starting to see the VIX head higher, this would just mean that we're probably in or just taking what's due to us due to come. Now, I want to close here by showing this is a map of the S&P 500 in purple versus CPI days only. This goes back all the way to the beginning of the pandemic. And you can see CPI days largely track the general market, but we have not had a big downdraft on a CPI day since the very end of the bear market that ended last year, or actually 2022. So could this be a sea change? Potentially. At the very least, I think we're looking at some short-term weakness into the end of the month.
Jared, thanks so much. Appreciate it.